Hi everyone, my name is Hadiza Sambo. In this video, I will be training users um, I'll be training users on how to use my GUI Python application program that I created, which should be probably like I think 3 to 4 minutes video, though I'm not trying to overwhelm like the audience, but just trying to like say what I understand by what I created on my uh, coding and the GUI application in Python. So I believe that the Python application can be used through different ways, various methods to achieve successful goals, like probably through the application itself or through external resources. But in this case, I think I will show a little part of what I did, and then kind of like demonstrate how it works to market it in the for users to be able to know how to use it and how to achieve their goals. So I think I'll just be the first thing I think is in-app the training mechanism, like the implementation that users can be interactive, like the elements, the buttons, the input field, etc., like including concise help text near the complex section or input areas to guide the users. The first thing I think is like to create a step-by-step guide tour, which I'm doing right now for the first users. Me myself, kind of like uh, I'm very new in this, but I'm just gonna highlight key features on how uh, this works. I believe with that being said, just to train on how to use this application, um, I believe that the application is kind of like user friendly. GUIs are generally more intuitive and easier to use for individuals without technical expertise, like not having too much experience in the field, as I believe they rely on visual elements like buttons, menus, and icons. This can be a visual appeal. Like, what I mean by that is well designed GUI that I created here to enhance the visual experience, making applications more engaging and pleasant to use for both new users and even users with more experience. It also reduces error rates. The application I'm training users on how to use my application after I finish like coding, and though the coding was kind of a little hard and I have a lot of, not a lot but little errors in it, but it reduces error rate. Like the visual nature of GUI, I believe, is often reduce the likelihood of user error compared to command line interfaces, where precisely like command syntax in which is required. It's also accessibility. The accessibility is great. Kind of like can be more. It's kind of like more accessible for users with certain disabilities, as they can be navigated using pointing devices or assistive technology. Like, we have a lot of people that are using AI that cannot use, again, that are disabled. Probably some hands have been amputated, and but with voices and commands, I believe people can be able to achieve a lot, even with this application that I created. I believe users can be able to command it with voice and stuff like that. Um, Also, the last one I'll say here is it's kind of faster in prototyping. Like the framework can facilitate quicker in development and kind of like allow users to rapid individualization and the testing itself for user interaction, which I believe is very great. So, I mean, this is the only thing that I have to say regarding training users on how to use my application in GUI Python. Um, Looking forward to learn more. Thank you for listening.